What are we doing today?
Insulating.
Ooh!
Done. I'm gonna get it on me.
Oh yeah. Insulation day. As you can tell, we haven't really done much on the inside of the Love Shack outside of all the fine-tuned stuff you can't see, which makes it seem like not a lot. But today we're going to be insulating the joint. Lindsay's in charge of putting it in, and I'm in charge of cutting it up. And there's my little station. There's my foreman, making sure I'm doing my job properly.
What do I do?
It's like ice cream on the back of a paper plate that you don't want to eat. I love insulation. All right, that is a window that I like to call the practice window. I did a pretty good job on that, way better than I think I anticipated, which is always nice. So since I got my practice in on that guy, it's time to put a brand new window in right here. Got to pluck that fiberglass insulation out. And it's time to start making holes in the Love Shack. Practice window turns out practice window too. Made a few mistakes on this guy just while I was putting it up that I'd forgotten, even though I only had done that one 2 days ago. But overall, it looks good. It's sealed in, got it caulked in, screwed in. Last thing I got to do is I got to go run and get some trim to the outside of the window and trim that up here in a little bit. And we got 2 windows in the Love Shack, my friend. Got it. Said you got it. There she goes.